So welcome to Sakal Vijay YouTube channel. Thank you, Vaibhav. Okay. Next, Swati Singh. Thank you, Prasanna, Vaishnavi Naki, Rao Saib, Pranav, Divya, Ishwar Reddy, Prudvi, Prasanna Hani. Okay. Okay. Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Nageshwar Reddy, Bharat, Swati Singh. Okay. Once again, I request you, all of you, all the viewers, in the offline also, you need to give the feedback. That will be better actually, so that I will go through it. So after completion of the sessions, okay. Yesterday Suma asked one good question that I will discuss later. Okay, classes have started just now. Not yet started now. By 9:30, still 2 minutes is there. Okay, just I am checking. Am I audible to you, all of you? Am I audible or not? Hello, Karthik, Sujit, Nandini Reddy, right? Prince, good morning. Fine, fine. Kartikeya, Swati Singh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Chalamaya, Vaishnavi, you are audible. Pramila, Bhulakshmi. After a long time, Bhulakshmi. Where had you been? Okay. Fine, Ashwaradi. What about your feedback? I didn't get it. So far, I have not received. Pramila, yourself also. Now it's 9:30. Okay, let us start now. Right. So daily you need to give. Daily you need to give. It's a better. Okay. Functions. Part 10. So anybody, what is the question number? We need to complete. What is the question number? Question number. Chalamaya. Question number 90. Okay, thank you. Question number 90. If f of x is a polynomial okay, thank you Manada, in x and x greater than 0, x is positive, satisfying the equation equation satisfying the equation f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to f of x multiplied by f of 1 by x, and f of 2 is equal to 9. F of 2 is equal to 9. Thought Krishnamurthy after a long time. Then f of 3 equals to first option 26, second option is 27, third option is 28, fourth option is 29. This is very important question. Okay, because this question is known as functional equations. Functional equation is one of the chapter for free RMO and RMO Regional Mathematics Olympiad and pre-regional mathematical Olympiad. This is very important for even functions also. This is part and parcel of the functions. Okay, is this first year? Exactly first year. It's a first year. So now f of x is a polynomial in x, satisfying this condition f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to f of x into f of 1 by x, and initial condition f of 2 is equal to 9. Then we need to find out f of 3. So we have one shortcut that need to be, we talk about the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? So note down, if f of x plus f of 1 by x equals to f of x times f of 1 by x, f of x is being a polynomial in x, then f of x equals to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. Both will satisfy this condition. So this we need to remember. As for the problem, we need to select plus or minus sign. Here f of 2 is equal to 9 means definitely we need to consider plus sign. That means here we have f of x equals to, we can write x to the power of n plus 1 or 1 plus x to the power of n. Okay, thank you. So now what is given actually here? F of 2 find out. F of 2 equal to 2 to the power of n plus 1, but it is equal to how much? 9. 2 to the power of n equals to 8. 2 to the power of n equals to 2 cube. Therefore n equals to 3. Now the function becomes, now we are going to define the function. So now f of x will be defined x cube plus 1. Now anything we can find out. Just we need to find out what now? F of 3 we need to find out. Put in the place of x3. So that implies f of 3 equals to 3 cube plus 1. 27 plus 1 is 28. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Okay, got it now all of you? Right. 27 plus 1. Vaibhav. Right. Vinayaki. Swati. Ashwa. Abhi. Dishwank also yesterday has given good feedback. Where is he? Dhruvam, she is not coming regularly. Ajay Khanna not yet given. Govind also. Haripriya. Tulasi Das. Right. So let us move to the 91st problem. 91st problem. If f of x equals to if f of x is a polynomial function such that f of x times f of 1 by x equals to f of x plus f of 1 by x, just like previous problem only. F of 1 by x and f of 3 equals to minus 80. Okay, Tulsidas. Ashish, okay. Then f of x minus f of 1 by x. First option, x to the power of 4 plus 1 by x to the power of 4. Second option, x to the power of 4 minus 1 upon x to the power of 4. Third option, 1 upon x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. Fourth option, none. This is the option. Kotturu Pushpa. Okay. F of x is a polynomial function such that f of x times f of 1 by x equals to f of x plus f of 1 by x, and f of 3 is equal to minus 80. Then we need to find out f of x minus f of 1 by x. So that means with the help of the given conditions, we need to find out the function. Being is a functional equation. See, solution. We have, that means we need to consider f of x equals to 1 minus x to the power of n. We shall get a doubt because f of 3 is negative value. If it is positive, 1 plus x to the power of n, we would have actually selected 1 plus x to the power of n. Here negative value, so that we need to take 1 minus x to the power of n. So find f of 3. F of 3 equals to 1 minus 3 to the power of n. So but this f of 3 equals to minus 80. So minus 80 equals to 1 minus 3 to the power of n. So transposing the terms, 3 power n equals to 81, whose value equals to 3 power 4. So n equals to 4. Now we are going to define the function. Now the function is defined as f of x equals to 1 minus x to the power of 4. Now we need to find out f of 1 by x. Then f of 1 by x need to be subtracted from f of x. So that required solution, in order to get the required solution, we need to subtract f of 1 by x from f of x. That is to be done now. Rest of the work, we need to do it. See, f of x equals to 1 minus x to the power of 4. Find f of 1 by x. That is 1 minus 1 by x to the power of 4. Therefore, what we need to find out? F of x minus f of 1 by x. 1 minus x to the power of 4 minus of 1 minus x to the power of 4. Open the brackets. Open the brackets. No problem, no problem. 1 minus x to the power of 4 minus 1 plus 1 upon x to the power of 4. 1 gets cancelled. we have 1 upon x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. Which is the right option? I think so. This is question number, what is the question number? 91, am I correct? Yes, 91 is also. Third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. 92. 92. If f of x is a function such that f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y, and f of 1 equals to 7, then sigma r is equal to 1 to n fr equals to, okay. Where is Suma today? She is not there. Balu. First one 7n upon 2. Second 7 times n plus 1 upon 2. Third 7 n times n plus 1. Fourth 7 n times n plus 1 upon 2. Where is Narla today? Right. Bhumika, Bilvasri, Chandanasri. Where had they been? Okay. Right. Arshit. Rudvi, welcome. F of x is a function such that f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y, f of 1 equals to 7, then we need to find this one. Sigma, no, you need to give, after completion of this session, offline you need to give it. Okay, Pramila is there. Right. So now we have one shortcut you need to remember. Shortcut. If, please note down this shortcut, f of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y, then f of x is k times x, where k is constant. So whenever the equation is like this, you need to select f of x is equal to kx. So that means under in the chart box only you need to comment under comment section below description below, you will find a comment section. In that you need to give the comment. Right. Okay, Ashwarya, it might be. But actually, yesterday onwards I have not been feeling well. That's why I just shifted to 10 o'clock. But now somewhat feeling good. That's why I started by 9:30. Okay. Now 92. 92 solution. 92 solution. So we know that we have f of x can be defined as for the given condition f of x is equal to kx. What is given? F of 1 is equal to 7 given. Let us substitute and equate it to 7. Now f of 1 equal to k equal to 7. That means k is equal to 7. The function f of x is defined by 7 times x. F of x is defined. Now what we need to find out now? Sigma r is equal to 1 to n fr. That means sigma r takes from 1 to n 7 times r, 7 common. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n r. This is nothing but 7 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash plus n. This is nothing but sum of the first n natural numbers. That is nothing but sigma n. Sigma n. So 7 times sigma n, that equal to 7 into n times n plus 1 upon 2. This is the desired answer. Okay. Okay, I will give him the right. Wait now. I have given a good right. Give to him. Prudvi, Swati, Vaishnavi, Dishwank. So just block them. They are disturbing us today. Vamshi, yourself also. Kalyani, Prudvi, Swati. Right. 92 is completed. Shall we move to the 93? Yes. 93 question. 93. 93. If f of x is a function I think they are not students, they are from others, that you need to understand. Such that f of xy so below description you have the comment box, comment section. In that write down, that's all. Anybody give the suggestion to the Tota Krishnamurthy? F of x plus f of y and f of 2 equals to 1. Then f of x we need to find out. Now we have been dealing with the functional equations. Right. First option is x square. Second option is 2 raised to x. Third option log x to the base 2. Fourth option is log 2 to the base x. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, after live streaming. That's correct, absolutely. What you said. F of x is a function such that f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y and f of 2 equals to 1. Then we need to find out f of x. Right? Shortcut. So these shortcuts you need to write down separately. And you need to remember Vaibhav. Right. If f of xy equals to f of x plus f of y, then this f of x equals to a to the power of kx, where k is constant. Where k is constant. This is the shortcut. Okay, lot of description given. Prudvi Bejawada. So now let us move to the 93 solution now. 93 solution. We have f of x is equal to a to the power of kx. A to the power of kx. And what is given here? F of 2 equals to 1 given. F of 2 is equal to 1 given. Now f of 2 equals to a to the power of 2k equal to 1. So I need to check the question 1 minute now. Something wrong is there in the question. Right. So modify the question. Question is wrong absolutely. Okay. F of 1 equals to 2. This is the right one. F of 1 is equal to 2. Right. Let us go move to the solution now. F of 1 equals to 2. F of 1 means a power k equals to 2 given. Okay. A power k is equal to 2. What is k? K is equal to log 2 base a. Okay, this value. That means this f of x is equal to, we can write a to the power of x times log 2 base a. This we can write like this: a to the power of log 2 base a whole to the power of x we can write. So a to the power of log 2 base a is 2. This will be 2 power x. This is the answer. F of x is equal to 2 power x. Okay, thank you. That's only, Suma. Don't worry. You can watch offline. Right. Now, ninety-fourth question. A real valued function f of x satisfies the functional equation f of x minus y equals to f of x times f of y minus f of a minus x into f of a plus y, where a is constant. And f of 0 given that 1, then f of 2a minus x need to be evaluated. F of 2a minus x. Venkata Raghuram Gonila, you also given good feedback. Suma also given. Swati Singh. Okay. Right. First option f of minus x. Second one is f of a plus f of a minus x. Okay. Third one is f of x. Fourth one is minus f of x. Yes, Mahindra, yourself also. Right. Not now, not necessary. After completion of the session. Okay. A real valued function f of x satisfies the functional equation f of x minus y equal to f of x times f of y minus f of a minus x times f of a plus y. Okay. Where a is constant, then f of 0 given that 1, then f of 2a minus x we need to find out. Right. First, as for the initial condition, we need to find out f of a value, because f of 0 given, f of a value we need to find out, because here we need to find out f of 2a minus x. So now for initial conditions you can take put x is equal to y is equal to 0. So put these two values in the functional equation. Let us see what do we get now. Sarath Sai. Okay, thank you. This will be f of 0 minus 0, f of 0 times f of 0 minus f of a minus 0 times f of a plus 0. See, who is Mohana Krishna? F of 0 equals to f of 0 square minus f of a into f of a square. But f of 0 is given that 1. Who is Ashwa Reddy? Okay. F of 0 is equal to 1 equals to 1 square is 1 minus f of a whole square. Now we get f of a whole square equals to 1 minus 1 0. So we get f of a is also, you will be getting 0. Now we need to find out, okay, Narla, with the help of f of 0 and f of a is equal, f of 0 is equal to 1, f of a is equal to 0, we need to find out f of 2a minus x. So now let us move to the next page. 94th solution. So what is given? Functional relation f of x minus y is given that f of x into f of y minus f of a minus x. Okay, no problem, Dishwank. F of a plus y. So now we already derived here. See, f of 0 is equal to 1 and we derived f of a equals to 0. Now we need to find out f of 2a minus x. Am I correct now? F of 2a minus x. That means we need to apply in this one x and y value. See, okay, this is f of, we can write, this can be rewritten as f of a minus of x minus a. Check it, what do you get? 2a minus x only. Now x for a, y for x minus a, substitute in this one. So we get f of a and y means x minus f of x minus a minus f of a minus, here x is a, f of minus a, and f of a plus y is x minus a. So just simplify. Okay, Pramila, I will take care after completion of this class. Definitely I will change. Right. So now here see, f of a equals to 0. Am I correct now? 0 times something, 0 minus f of 0. Here a gets cancelled, we have f of x. This is minus f of 0 times f of x. We know that f of x is equal to 1. So this is minus f of x. This is the answer. Understood now? So that means now the fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, Suma, I will take care after completion of this one. Now I cannot go outside. Okay, 95. 95. Let f of x equals to x upon e power x minus 1 plus x upon 2 plus 1, then f is first one an odd function, second an even function, third one periodic, fourth one neither even nor odd. So that means we need to check evenness and oddness. Whether it is a even function or odd function, we need to check. Okay, you are new to this channel. First subscribe. Right. Now 95. 95 solution. Here given f of x equals to e power x upon e power x minus 1 plus x upon 2 plus 1. So in order to check whether it is a even function or not odd function, we need to check this one. F of minus 1 by x equal to f of x implies f is even. F is even. Suppose f of minus x equals to minus f of x, then f is odd. So this test need to be conducted. Okay. So now f of minus x, that means e to the power of minus x upon e to the, sorry, this is x, forgotten, absolutely sorry Andy, absolutely sorry, x, I need to be very careful. Now minus x e power minus x plus 1 minus x upon 2 plus 1. Okay. So now we need to simplify this one. So how to simplify? Minus x upon e power minus x can be written 1 by e power x plus 1 minus x upon 2 plus 1. E power x LCM, e power x comes up, that we can write minus x e power x, okay, upon, this can be written already, sorry, minus 1. Minus. Okay, you will be getting 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now multiply both numerator and denominator with minus sign. This you get like this, x e power x upon e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. But now it is not equal to minus f of x. If you take minus common, we should have to get minus of x times e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So that means some manipulation need to be done. So now here this I will change. This I will change like this. So now this I will write, we need x upon e power x minus 1. Okay. minus 1 and minus x plus x, right? And let us see. X e power x minus x plus x upon e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1, write down. That means in the numerator, in the first term only, added x, subtracted x. Okay, now move to the here. What happens means this equals to x common. We get e power x minus 1 upon e power x minus 1 plus x upon e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Now what do you get now here? See, e power x minus 1, e power x minus 1 gets cancelled. This we can write x times e power x minus 1 plus x minus x by 2 plus 1. Let us simplify these two only now. Take LCM 2. This is x upon e power x minus 1, 2 LCM, 2x minus x, x by 2 plus 1. Now what do you observe? What do you observe? Same f of x has been obtained. Therefore, f is an even function. Even function. Okay, right. Even function, right? So it's a standard bit. You can remember in the examination, you need not do these lengthy steps. This is standard bit. Always remember even function. This is right. Ninety-sixth question. 96th. The value of parameter. The value of parameter. 2 days back only happened. Parameter alpha for which the function f of x equals to 1 plus alpha x, alpha does not equal to 0. This condition is very important in this one. Is inverse itself. That means self inverse. Is first option minus 2, second option minus 1, third option 1, fourth option 2. This is the question. Right. The value of parameter alpha for which f of x equals to 1 plus alpha x, alpha does not equal to 0, is inverse itself. That means f of x equals to f inverse x. Then we need to find out the value of alpha. So first f of x is given 1 plus alpha x, equation 1, f inverse x, we know the shortcut, inverse function. First x write down, subtract 1, divide by x coefficient alpha. Set 2 this is. Okay. But what is given here? But f of x equals to f inverse x. They are equal functions. 1 plus alpha x is equated to x minus 1 upon alpha. Cross multiplication. Alpha plus alpha square x minus 1. Bring this side now. Alpha square minus 1 of x plus alpha minus 1 equals to 0. That means actually it's a function equated to 0, means this x should not be equal to 0. Either this one or this one must be equal to 0. So that means alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 1. This third option is the right option. Right. Next 97. Okay, it may be minus 1 also, but one condition you take it now here better. Okay, I will change the condition here. Alpha does not equal to minus 1. Okay, now okay. Right. Ninety-seven. If alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with x, y, z axis in positive directions, then the range of cos alpha cos beta plus cos beta cos gamma. Actually this problem also related to the direction cosines and direction ratios also. Plus cos gamma cos alpha is first option minus 1 by 2 comma 1, second option minus 1 by 2 comma infinity, third option minus 1 comma 2, fourth option 1 to infinity. Alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with x-axis, y-axis, z-axis in the positive directions, then range of cos alpha cos beta plus cos beta cos gamma cos alpha. So that means if alpha beta gamma are the angles made by a line with x y z axis, then L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. They are the direction cosines. Since L, M, N are the direction cosines, we have the relation L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Then we need to find out LM plus MN plus NL. Range we need to find out. So let us have the discussion on that one now. So we talk about this problem discussion. Problem is 97 solution. So we have L equals to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N equals to cos gamma. Okay, cos gamma. So since L, M, N are DCs of a line, that implies L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. Say equation 1. And we need to find out, to find the range of cos alpha cos beta, LM cos gamma cos alpha. Cos gamma cos alpha is NL plus cos beta cos gamma, MN. So we have one shortcut. I will discuss the shortcut once again here. Shortcut. So what is the shortcut? Yesterday we have discussed this shortcut. Okay, what is the shortcut means here? If a square plus b square plus c square equals to k, then range of AB plus BC plus CA is minus k by 2 comma k. This we need to remember, this shortcut. So here P, k stands for, this is the k value, k equals to 1. Therefore range equals to minus k upon 2 comma k. So closed minus 1 by 2 comma 1. So both sides are closed here. That's why I used, that means minus 1 by 2 is included, 1 is included. That's why closed brackets we need to use. And between minus 1 by 2 comma 1 also will be included in this interval. Understood now? So that's why, what is the option? First option is the right option. Option 1 is the right option. Now ninety-eight. Okay. If alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with the coordinate axis in the yes, we can use in the positive direction, then the range of sin alpha sin beta plus sin beta sin gamma plus sin gamma sin alpha is okay. You can use that one, no problem. You can use that. Is called actually Lagrange identity. First one, minus 1 by 2 comma 1. Second option, minus 1 comma 2. Third option, minus 1 by 2 comma 2 open. Fourth option, minus 1 by 2 comma 2 open. Right. If alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with the coordinate axis in the positive direction, then the range of sin alpha sin beta plus sin beta sin gamma plus sin gamma sin alpha we need to find out. So that means 98 solution. Let us say A equals to sin alpha, B equals to sin beta, C equals to sin gamma. But alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with coordinate axis. That means we can say L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, N is equal to cos gamma. DCs, direction cosines. So we know that L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. That means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is also 1. So if we change in terms of trigonometric sign value, we get like this: sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma becomes 2. This is important. Say 1. Now we need to find range of here. What is given actually from this one? A square plus B square plus C square becomes 2 now. Since sin alpha is A, sin alpha is B, sin gamma is C. Understood now? Now here range of we need to find out AB, BC, CA is shortcut we have minus K by 2 comma K. So now here this is the K value. So this equals to minus 2 by 2 comma 2. So closed minus 1 comma 2. This is the desired answer. So very Suma, Vaishnavi, Vaibhav, where is Narla? They went away. Ajay Babu, good. Ashwaradi, yes, Suma is there, right. Vaibhav, Kartikeya. So 99, the range of f of x equals to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2, x does not equal to 2, is first option R, second option minus infinity to 2, third option R minus 4, fourth option R minus 2. This is the question, 99 question. Option 4. Let us see. Here see, first let us find the domain. For domain x minus 2 does not equal to 0. That means x does not equal to 2. You remember this one. So domain of this function is equal to r minus this element 2. But we are asked range, you see. Now range we need to find out. To find range, whenever these kind of problems are given, we need to simplify. Because now f of x equals to, we can write x minus 2 into x plus 2. X square minus 4 can be written a square minus b square form. So x minus 2. X minus 2 gets cancelled. We have x plus 2. Now, but x does not equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is not the element of the f of x. So that means except all real values we can take 2. So that means now find f2. What is the value of f2? f2 will be 2 plus 2, 4. That means this 4 should not be in the domain range. So that means actually this is a polynomial function. Range will be r only. It gives all the real values, but except this 4 value. That's why range equals to r minus this 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 100. Find the, sorry, question number 100. Oh, what happened? 100. The range of f of x equals to x square minus 9 by x minus 3. X does not equal to 3 is first option r minus 3, second option r, third 0 to infinity, fourth r minus 6. Yes. Okay, Prithvi, today I will check because yesterday phone was not with me. Prithvi, definitely today I will check. Okay, today I will check. Okay. So now here see f of x equals to, we need to write what happened? 100 question solution. Oh, what happened to the 100th question? Now f of x equals to, we can write x minus 3 into x plus 3 upon x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel, x plus 3. What is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is r minus 3. That means in the input we don't have 3. That means find f of 3. What is f of 3? 6. 6 should not be in the range. So therefore range equals to set of real numbers minus element 6. Okay. So thank you one and all. Function chapter has been completed. Okay. Thank you. So we shall meet you in the afternoon session. So in the afternoon session also we shall complete uh, binomial theorem, and tomorrow onwards the new chapter. The morning I start conic section and afternoon session areas. Okay. Okay, what is your suggestion? Just I will give 2 minutes time to you. Are you happy? Tomorrow parabola we are going to start in the morning hours. So afternoon session, that is areas, because we need to complete in calculus. One chapter is there, that is areas we need to complete. That I will complete it. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Stay safe. Stay at home only. Right. Thank you. After that vectors last. Don't worry.